why am I breathing so hard? Oh my God. I am not playing this game.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores is seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago, but with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh my God. Oh, something gonna jump out at me, man. No, Derek, don't play it. Don't play it. Bruh. Oh! Nope. Nope. I ain't playing it. Nope. Bump that. Bump that, bro. Whatever. Oh my God, okay. Oh, why am I doing this? Oh my gosh. Bump it, man. Let's do it. Let's play it. We gonna play it, man. Hello and welcome to the channel, baby. I ain't even gonna front. The game that we're about to play right now, I do not want to play. I don't want to play it. I don't. People who know me, it's my name. I go by He Who Rules in the gaming community. Most people call me Rules, man, on the gaming. When I'm gaming or whatever, or the gaming community, or they call me Derek. People who know Derek know that I don't watch scary movies. I don't play scary games. You know what I'm saying? And it ain't cause I don't want to, but it's just I don't want no nightmares, bro. Okay, I don't want no nightmares. Like, do you hear this? What is this? See, no. But we gonna do it though, man. Today we are playing. I played. I'm gonna be able to say that I played the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I don't know why I'm doing this. My controller vibrating. I ain't even doing nothing. The game moving. Hold up. See? Nah, bro. See this? Look at this. I ain't pressing no button or nothing. And the game already done loaded up, bro. Look at this. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Play, customization, progression, tutorials, options, credit. Bruh. What am I doing? What am I doing, bro? Look, man, welcome to the channel. Okay? We different over here, okay? We play everything. We play everything. And we're gonna play the game, okay? We're gonna play about an hour or two. Get a gist of, what is this noise, bro? God. We're gonna play it, man. Gosh, I'm so my chest. Jesus. Please protect me while I play this game. Hey, you gotta take precautions, my boy. Take precautions. Welcome to the channel, man. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, look, go ahead and pause the video right now, okay? Pause it, hit subscribe, turn that bell notification on. And if you like the video, stay to the end. Leave a like, baby. Leave a like. I can play some more of these. I mean, I don't want to play no more game like this. Please don't make me play. Jesus Christ. Lord, don't let this be my most liked video. Because I do not want to play a game like this no more. But bump it. Let's do it. I ain't gonna lie, I'm terrible. What? What is this? Play as family. Play as victim. Join a match as either family or victim? The freak is that? What does that even mean? Oh my God. Oh Jesus, what does that even mean? You can play as a family or the victims.
Part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective. The stronger he is, the more powerful his sonar ability will become. Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough and he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match. Remember, Grandpa is the best killer that ever was. Hunt down the victims using abilities and teamwork.
Oh my God.
Look for signs of movement and listen for noise. Pay attention to your surroundings and keep your eyes and ears open.
Or y'all hearing
this. You never
this.
know where one of those victims
What
might
the
be hiding.
freak is this, bro?
Speaking of abilities, each family member has a unique ability that can help hunt and track down victims. Careful though, some abilities have limited quantities while others are on a cooldown. So hunt wisely. Once you locate or find a victim, make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. The direct approach isn't always the best, so use your fellow family members when possible. But once your plan unfolds and you get them within range, hit them. Then hit them again. And remember, if you do manage to successfully hit or execute a victim, take that blood to Grandpa. He's hungry and needs his strength in order to help you. Oh, don't let a single victim escape. After all, we win as a family or we lose as a family.
What am I playing, bro? What? When listening as a cook. Oh. Leatherface can carry victims to the gallows for a special execution and additional XP. Johnny can track victims' footprints by pressing RB, look for clues, and track them down. What the freak, bro? Want to try something new? You can always reset your character and regain your skill points. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the freak am I playing? Who am I? I'm the cook. Oh my gosh, why is my heart racing so fast? So those who don't know, this game literally just came out. Let me check and see, man. I think this game just came out, man. So it came out 3 days ago. This game came out 3 days ago, and it's been getting like a couple of interesting reviews, you know. But it's kind of been, you know, not too bad, not too shady. But it's just I don't play games like this. Like, I don't even watch movies like this. So I guess I could have changed my character or whatever.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The sheriff's department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of
Oh my God.
The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with initial reporting no
Secure
signs
the
of foul
property.
play. Authorities are hopeful that
Feed Grandpa blood. Find and collect blood from victims.
will unearth the
Execute
family and
victims.
friends are urging anyone with information regarding
What the? Oh my God!
Why am I always the one cleaning up these messes?
What?
Tell you what, goddamn kids.
What am I playing?
They couldn't have gone much further.
We can remove the padlock. Bro, what the freak am I playing? They told me to go secure the property. Alright, so we locked the door. So what am I doing? Are they trying to escape? Unlock and open? Okay. Close the door. Lock it. Add a padlock. Hey, there we go. You can't get out that way, my boy. Yo. Why am I enjoying this? Oh, there go Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. I'm a...
Now, where are you?
Okay, close the door. Lock it.
Damn kids. Where'd they go? I know you around here somewhere.
Bro. What is happening, bro?
I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure.
Oh, boy, I thought there was somebody right there, boy. That was a freaking lamp in my face. Hold on. Oh! Come on. Where you at? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, boy. Ha ha! Got you! Ugh! How do I take the blood back to Grandpa?
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
Oh, I don't like this.
You're only making it harder on yourselves. Stop running!
Dang, where'd he go? Ooh, I see her. How do I get outside? How do I get outside? I see her.
Where are them kids? If they get loose, I ain't sure what's gonna happen.
Bro, what am I playing? Okay, so they're not here. How do I get outside?
Well, looks as if somebody's leaking. God damn it, boy! Look what you're doing to the house!
Well, you can hide in there.
Just get.
Come here. Come here. How did she go over there? Come here. No, she up here. Where'd she go?
We didn't have much choice. We couldn't let Johnny bring no love child around here. This ain't personal. Now get back here.
Bro, I just heard her. Where did they go?
I ain't liking which way this is headed. They gotta be around here someplace.
How you feel, Grandpa?
That's it. Tastes good, don't it?
Got him! Where you going, boy? What the?
Lord mercy! I'm getting fed up as all get out. We gotta find them. It's too foggy.
Bro, I could have sworn I heard somebody, yo. Oh, there she go, there they go. I see him in the bushes. I see him in the bushes. Come here.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Come here. Come here. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Where you going? Go that way. No, go that way. Go this way. No, right here. No. Come here. Don't you run from me. Let's go! Let's go, boy! Ugh. The hunt is over. Hey! 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 Yeah! 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 We got no more! Ain't even gonna lie. This ain't for me. This is not for me, my boy. No. Ain't no nope. It's probably easy to play as a family. But to play as the people, bro. Like, look, I was #1, baby. I killed 3 of them. Let's go, boy. I killed 3 of them. Alright, we gonna exit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna exit because we ain't gonna be no coward. We ain't gonna be no coward. This time we gonna play as the victims. Okay? We playing as the victims this time. Whoo! Oh my god. I don't know if I want to do this. I don't know if I want to do this. Oh, shoot! Why y'all let me play this? Why? Oh my god, bro. That was crazy. The grandpa was over there. Well, I almost want to quit. Just so I don't gotta play the victim. But we ain't no punk, man. We not finna. No. Oh, my heart is racing. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't do this. Oh, but I can't see for real, man. Like, oh my god. Bump it, bro. Come on, let's do it.
Been captured by the Slaughter family.
Oh, Jesus.
Tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs. Find your friends. Hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health. But more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. The family is hunting, so move quietly and make the right decisions. Your life depends on it. Stay quiet and hidden. Move slowly and carefully to avoid making excessive noise. Use shadows and tall foliage to stay hidden. Take cover behind tall objects to break line of sight. And last but not least, use the environment to your advantage. Wall gaps, crawl spaces, and unique hiding spots like freezers, armoires, and even vehicle trunks can be used to evade the family. Use them. Watch out for objects that make noise. Moving too fast through the environment can spell disaster. Searching for items slowly will drastically increase your chance of survival.
Man, fuck this, bro.
Moving too fast through doors can give away your location, so stay calm.
Oh my
and
God.
move quietly. The family is always listening. Find useful items. Tools can be used to break locks on doors. Health items can heal you, while bone scrap can be used to sneak attack or even confront the family directly. These items can mean the difference between life and death. You can only carry 2 items at a time, so choose wisely.
Only 2
Try to
items?
plan ahead. Unlock exits. The heavy metal doors almost always lead out of the basement. Find and open them. Once upstairs, keep moving if possible. There are multiple escape routes located on the outer edges of the property, so find a way to open them. Some escape objectives like the fuse box and water valve pump require specific items to activate them. These items can be found scattered around the property. Be on the lookout. Escape the family. Having trouble finding an escape option? When in doubt, head towards the main road or rear gate. Those are usually the easiest option, if you can get there. The water valve gate and the basement door exits are also available options if you can find the necessary parts to activate them. The basement door requires you to find and repair the fuse box, while the water valve gate needs the pressure valve handle to open. Once fixed, the escapes will open up for you and your team. Use your abilities to stay alive. Used at the right time, they can mean the difference between life and death. Be careful though. Star sign abilities have a cooldown that will prevent overuse, so plan wisely. Remember, you have been captured, beaten, and tortured, so your injuries are severe. You need to escape before you succumb to your wounds. As the match continues, you will start to bleed out more and more. Be wary of leaving blood trails behind. You can be tracked. Health items can slow this process, but you can't stop it. Escape is the only option. Finding fellow victims and working together is recommended, but not required. Grouping with teammates can have a multitude of advantages, but your total noise output might also increase. Choose your strategy wisely. The only question is, who will survive, and what will be left of them?
Oh my God. I can't even really see for real. Like, do I need to cut the light off so I can see? Okay, I can see. Alright, I can see now. Oh, shoot! Who am I? I'm a victim. Can I change who I'm playing with? Let's say he's quick on his speed and toughness. Alright, I'm gonna stick with the, wait, what? No, I'm gonna try Sunny. Dang, somebody already got it. Don't nobody wanna play with the girls? Alright, I'm gonna play with, alright, let's do this, man. Oh man, oh Jesus.
Auto mutilations continue to plague the quiet farming communities of central Texas.
Oh my God. I'm trying to survive, bro. I want to survive. Stay quiet and hidden. Find useful items. Unlock exits.
advises all ranchers to patrol their property
Escape the family.
heavily armed and report any suspicious activity.
What the hell happened?
What's my power do? Exit cell? What's this?
This looks promising.
Bro.
Oh, what's this?
Oh! Man, why they over here making noise, bro?
Please lead somewhere good.
Bro. Oh my gosh, I hear him.
Yes, I can use that.
Why she so loud, man? Man, bump it, bro.
I'm keeping this. What's this?
Bro. I can't see nothing, bro. Yo, stop moving, yo! You gonna get us killed! Who this little girl, little lady is, man? Chill out, little lady. Oh my god, nope. Nope.
How do we get out of here?
No, she gonna get me killed.
Think.
Man, bruh. Hold up. Hold on, man. Hold on. I can't see nothing again. Alright. Dang, but I can't see because of light, bro. Dang, the light is on the TV. Man, nah, I ain't finna die. Hold up, man. She dying. Nope. Dang, that's worse. Alright, hold on, y'all, hold on. Alright. We're gonna escape on this. We escaping, bro. There's gotta be another way to go. Survive for 5 minutes. Oh no. Oh my God, somebody get it. Oh shoot! I can't even see. Oh, run! Go! No! 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 Oh, God, live, huh? Golly. Yo. Whoo! Boy. I ain't playing this game ever again. You hear me? Ever. Is she about to escape? I didn't even know you could sprint. You could sprint. I didn't even know you could sprint. Yo, this game is crazy, bro.
Can I use that? How did this happen? How do people like this happen? I'm gonna keep this. Ah!
Dang. Come on, I got faith in you. Come on. Yo, when I tell you, this game is nerve-wracking, bro. Is she gonna escape? Come on, come on, come on, get out of there. Come on. Come on. Go.
Stay quiet on the
Yes!
right there.
Yes! Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, yo, this game, bro, is nerve-wracking. Woo, my God. Come on, Anna. At least one of us escaped. Oh dang, Anna bled out. What's the results? Okay. I mean, I came in second out of everybody. I was in a good second. Dang. She escaped, man. That's crazy, bro. Next match, boy, bump you. Who finna play this game again? Boy, you crazy. Out your mind, but it actually ain't that bad for real. It actually ain't that bad. I ain't even gonna lie. It's not that bad, but it's definitely not my cup of tea, okay? So, it is not my cup of tea, so I'm definitely not playing. Well, let's see what we got. We got customization, the victims. Select. So what can you do to the victims? You got 5. So victims, you got Connie, Leland, Anna, Sunny, and Julie. Family, Leatherface, Cook, Hot Chicker, Johnny, and Sissy. So you can. Oh. Oh snap! Oh, so you could upload, you could upgrade. So you can upgrade their skills and stuff. Yo, that's dope. You could upload the family too. What? Wow. Oh snap. Okay. Progression. Player progression. I don't have anybody on level 1 or anything. Stats. I played 2 matches. Total time played 28 minutes. That's enough. That's enough. I've died 1 time. I killed 3 people though. Yeah. It's harder to escape, I won't lie. It's definitely harder to escape. It's harder to escape, I give them that. Hands down, way harder to escape. But yeah, man, that's definitely it. That is most definitely it. I'm done with this game. Done, you hear me? Done. I ain't playing this no more. Nope. Who about to play this? I had to cut my light off because I wanted to make sure I could see. I ain't even know that I could run. I ran. Man. Bro. Cause you don't even sometimes even get to use your person. You know what I'm saying? But we at least played it. We played it, man. That game is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, no. We're done. We're done with that. Yeah. Yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoyed the game. the gameplay, seeing my reactions, you know. I'm pretty sure y'all are having a ball. I know some of you can stop laughing. I can sense some of you laughing while I was playing the game, okay? You play the game, okay? Then you tell me was your heart beating or not, because my jump was bouncing out my chest. Then it's the noise, and noise still going on. Why the noise still going on? For what? Why? Why, man? Why? Look at the noise. It's still happening, man. But appreciate y'all for watching, man. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate you for coming to the channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed so you'll get, and turn the bell notification on. And what it'll do is anytime I post a video, it'll let you know whenever I post a video. Okay? I'm probably gonna watch this video again because I know it's funny. It gotta be seeing my reaction to you know, so I got killed. And I got killed by Leatherface. Man. But wow, bro, the fact that this actually is still though, it's a real event based off of real, you know, events. Definitely a condolences to those families, man, who actually ended up losing their loved ones to a psychotic person's, you know, brain, you know. Stuff like that, man. That ain't nothing but the devil, man. It ain't good, brother. You know what I'm saying? But hey, said I would never play a game like this. Played it. Again, I say I would never play a game like this. No, just no. Jesus Christ, bro. That was crazy. On that, man, I'm out, bro. I'm about to call my pastor real quick. Need to come to God moment. What's the day? Oh, dang. Today Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? What's today? I don't even know. But I'm about to go to church, go read my Bible. I'm about to go kneel. I'm about to go pray to Jesus real quickly. Man, y'all better not ever ask me to play something like this. Ever. Woo! Oh my God. Alright, man. Woo! GG's. And God bless. I'm gonna need it. Lord have mercy. Who told me to play this game? Who? It wasn't me. Ain't no way it was me. Jesus fixes. Lord, fix it.